So let us continue with our ad group, which consists of gender, location, and also age. So mostly demographics. So you can just name it or leave it like this because you have named your campaign. And for the location, you can choose available country and regions. So which means every country that Microsoft ads are available, or you can choose Canada or United States, or you can choose specific ones. So either specific location or radius. And for example, you can choose location, target, or exclude. And you can choose state, region, country, province, zip code, or postal code. So it depends on your needs. If you are local, just choose the area that you are serving. You can use a radius to only your ad shown in the neighborhood that you are living. And then we have genders. And for something that if you are advertising in connection with any financial, insurance, education, career deployment, or housing services, you should not use individual demographics such as age, gender, location. So for this, personalizing advertising, segmenting, or profiling customers. So you can choose any gender, unknown, male or female, and then you can choose ages. So if you don't want to target a group, an age group, you can just untick it. And if everything is right, you just go save and go to the next step.